Watch her go from this to this. If you're interested in this style, please continue watching.
Life on that line. LOL.
Hi guys, I am back with another video. Let's get started. Her hair is 4C. I combed, oiled, and pressed it out off camera. I also parted and sectioned it off. Here's a visual of the parted sections. I parted her hair from ear to ear, then straight down the middle to get 4 equal parts. And then at the very top in the center, I parted out a circle. Here's the sizing that I'm going for with these braids. I overlap the rack to get the maximum capacity from this rack. I'm going to braid one braid directly in the middle using the feeding method. I start off using her natural hair and then I start applying pieces using the feeding method. For this next braid, I'm going to part it directly in the front along her edges and then back up towards the circle. Here's a visual of this side. You can pause the video to get a full look, but I basically braided this half going in the same direction. I put 4 plaits in the center to create fullness in this ponytail. For the back, I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to braid it straight up into the ponytail. This style was inspired by an Instagram post that I had ran across. I went ahead and finished the front, added beads and knockers to complete this style. Want to support me? Comment, subscribe, and share.